Log into Cpanel using your username and password. Then go to Database section and select MySQL Database. Now we will create a new database by entering our database name. And then click on Create Database. Then click on Go Back. Next, we create a MySQL user by entering our username and password. Then click on Create User button. Now click on Go Back. Now we will add the user to the database. We need to make sure that this user has all privileges, as this will be the admin. Then we will commit by clicking on Make Changes. And then click on Go Back. Now once you have created a new database and added a MySQL user to that database with full privileges, we can move on. Now go to File Manager under the Files section and double click on Public HTML. Now click on the Upload button found in the top. Next, click on Select File. Here you must select the installer for NFTBOX. Click on Open. It will take a few seconds for the installer to be uploaded. After the upload has been completed, click on the link below. Now select the zip file and click on Extract in the top menu. Then click on Extract Files. And then close. Now look for the extracted file. This file should have the same file name as the zip file that was extracted. Now open a new tab in the browser and run the setup for NFTBOX using that file name. To install NFTBOX, we must first verify our purchase by entering our Invato user ID and purchase key. We will click on Next. We then wait for the installer to check your server configurations. This may take a few seconds. Now we ensure that the files shown in the list have their permissions set to writable. We then make sure that the server meets the requirements for NFTBOX. If you see any warnings or errors, then make sure to fix them before proceeding with the installation. We will click on Next. We will now enter our database name. Our database username, our database password. You may choose to leave this field blank if you have not set a password for your database username. Here we will enter our host name. For this demonstration, since I'm installing in our localhost, I have set it as localhost. We click on Next. The installer is now importing database to phpMyAdmin. In the meantime, we can enter our email and password. These will later be used to log in to the admin panel of NFTBOX. We can click on Next. We click on Finish Installation Process. Lastly, we must delete the installer. In the scenario where we don't have permissions to delete the installer, please follow the instructions mentioned below. We click on Delete Now. The installer has been successfully deleted. We can launch NFTBOX by clicking on Launch Now. To deploy your marketplace smart contract on the blockchain, you must first log in to the admin dashboard using your email address and your password. Then on the menu found on the left hand side, go to NFT Setup. Here you will see that Polygon Scan mainnet has been set as your default blockchain network. If you wish to change the network or its settings, then click on the Update button. These are the Polygon Scan mainnet settings, and you can change to the Polygon Scan testnet settings using this drop-down. Furthermore, for any reason, to get these network settings and manually set them, then please follow the link provided above the forum to get this information. This is where you will find the settings for the Polygon Scan mainnet. Here you will find the settings for the Polygon Scan testnet. You must now import your Metamask wallet by clicking on the Import Wallet button. In the admin wallet setup, you will see a field asking you to enter your Metamask private key. Getting it is pretty simple. Open the Metamask extension and then go to the wallet account menu and click on Account Details. Click on Export Private Key and enter your Metamask password. Then click on Confirm. Now copy your private key and paste it in the private key field. And click on Import. To update your balance, click on the Reload Balance button. As you can see, your Metamask balance is now shown and updated. Now we can deploy our marketplace contract by clicking on Contract Deploy on the menu under NFT Setup. Enter your purchase key. Then click on Verify. Now enter your contract name, token symbol, and the max supply for minting in your marketplace. Then click on Deploy. Your marketplace has now been deployed on the blockchain network.